It's a nice sunny day too, so that's great.
Hey. Go see?
I'll go check those guys out.
Where are we going? Hey! Hey, come say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi. He's like, hell no.
The horse is just staring at him, and like, what is
say
that
hi.
thing? It's a small pony.
Hello.
It's a little pony.
Hello. What's the matter? Yeah, they poop bigger than you. That's your problem. Us. Hey. Say hi. Good dog. Good boy. You're nice. Oh yeah, that snow's gonna get you. Watch out for that snow.
Horse back there.
You okay? You good boy? Look at me. Blah. Go on. My hand's freezing. Hey, this way. Good boy. No, this way. Good boy. Here. 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 Come.
He listens well though.
No, he doesn't. He's a dough brain.
No, he does. He listens.
Big dough brain. Huh? Come on. Chaos, come. Come.
Oh yeah, he listens really well.
Yeah, we could pull the leash. Him and his truck ride. Can't enough for that. My hand's frozen.